Hi, my name is Daniel Mendoza, CEO of SS Works. I'm here today thanks to the Better Business Bureau to make a video showing you on how you can use your vehicle to make passive income. So one thing I wanted to talk about is we've all seen those vehicles driving around that look like a billboard on wheels, right? But do you ever ask yourself, how much do they make? How do they make it? Where did they get into it? Well, that's where I'm here to explain to you on how to do that, whether you're paying for a vehicle or not. The type of vehicle that you have is going to determine what type of marketing you can help a company do. That's one thing that we ourselves entail into, and I can tell you, one of our trade secrets is that it doesn't matter what vehicle you have, there's always a vehicle, whether it's a truck, a boat, and so forth, that has a place in the industry for a vehicle like yours to help somebody else's marketing to get a point across. Have you ever gone to a store that you said, wow, these products should be either on Yelp, people should know about the store, but they're just not getting the recognition they deserve? This is where your vehicle comes into play. You can actually take action in helping somebody in marketing their company. And you're probably asking yourself, I'm not a marketing director. It doesn't matter. It's actually really easy because you got to put it in people's faces, just like a billboard on our standard highways. Is people that are driving by will see new companies to get their message across. Imagine you're promoting a sushi company. Now you're at an asparagus festival. The type of exposure that sushi restaurant is going to get is something that they weren't even able to get before, because now they're going to get a whole large amount of group that is going specifically for asparagus that might say, hey, I saw a sushi car that has some marketing on there, and then I want to go to that restaurant, I want to try it. Let's go a little bit into detail. Let's say you're at the asparagus festival. You're leaving the car, you just parked it. Somebody sees that you have the sushi name on your vehicle, and then they ask you, hey, do you own that restaurant? And you tell them, actually, I don't, but I'm helping the company get their name out there. I've experienced a great service, and I like what I've ate there so far. You're going a little bit further into detail. On the vehicle, you have a coupon code that they will be able to use at the restaurant. Another thing you can do is give them a coupon. They will be able to use this when they go to the restaurant. This ensures the owner of that sushi restaurant that this method is working. Not only have you taken your time to talk to somebody, but they also have seen that the billboard on wheels is working. So I just gave you two examples on how your vehicle is actually working. Number one coupon is going to be listed or printed on your vehicle. The secondary one, because your vehicle engaged a customer or a potential future customer, you were able to then hand them a coupon. The techniques used for your vehicle could go endless, but you can see just by giving you those two prime examples on how you were able to interact because of your vehicle. It first started off with the visibility that brought in a future potential customer, and then you took it from there. In the end, there's many ways you can cleverly come up with endorsing a company's product, just like we showed you with the example of the sushi restaurant that just opened up down the street. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys found it educational and useful on many ways that you can use your vehicle to make passive income.